So if you have a semester class and you use Planboard's daily lesson planner, there's something that you're going to want to do, and that is to log into chalk.com and then select the timetable option and remove, using this little X button, remove the classes that were from last semester and not this semester. Then press save. Next up, we're going to go to my subjects, and we need to add another subject in. Now my AP Computer Science class is all year, so I'm not going to touch that. But my web design and programming and robotics were both first semester. So I'm going to create a new subject. I'm going to teach another session of web design, and I'm going to start it over so that way my plan has the right lessons. So it doesn't look like they have 80 lessons, but just 40. And also, I'm starting a new subject, and that's called web development, and that's spring 18. There we go. And web development is D block. Okay. Now before I add the new web design, I've been working on my curriculum map, and it'll be interesting and helpful if I have my new learning targets from my curriculum map available in my daily lesson planner when I run my new web design. So I'm going to pop over to the curriculum mapper. I filtered by my department, and I'm going to go to web design, and this is just a draft. I want to make sure that it's published so that way it's accessible over in Planboard. So I'm just going to hit publish. Yeah. It hurts not at all if I ever switched it back into draft and edited new stuff. It's just now that this version of web design is updated. So now I can go over to my subjects, and so when I create web design for this next semester, and I'll web design, and it'll be spring 18. I'll use the same color, keep it organized for me, and this will be A block. And now once I save this, I can add the curriculum map. Oh, but it needs to be on the timetable. Don't know why, but no problem. So I'll just go to my timetable, and I'll add these new classes in. So I will insert a class. Now I should note day A is Tuesday, Thursday. Day B is Wednesday, Friday. I work for you on Tuesday, Thursdays, and so I teach Wednesday, Fridays. So I will add in my web design, spring 18, and that runs from 8:30 to 10:05. So 8:30, 10:05. There we go, on day 2, Wednesday, Friday. There we go. And so that's that. And now I'll also insert the other guy, web development, and that is 150 to 320. Okay, day 2. All right, all saved in. Now I can go back to my subjects and link my new curriculum map now that it's on the timetable. I should be able to now link the curriculum map. So web design spring 18, add curriculum map, and I'll just search by DXA, and web design. And that's me. Okay, cool. All of these look great, and the starting date will be when we get back, which is my first class is the 5th. And that's that. Cool. And now, if I go to my plan board, and I select the 5th, I should now see my new classes. Yep, web design is A block, and then web development. So now I can start laying in my classes. And so I'll add on this as well. And this is, I'm going to show you how to bundle my web design periods classes from first semester and lay them on top of this semester. Okay, so you'll notice I switched to a week view and I went back in time to time when I was running the old web design. And so now I'm going to share resources and I will select this web design and all units, and I'm just going to select just go way back in time because it'll only catch the lessons that are there, and then I'll go way forward in time just so it'll just grab everything, all the lessons that I taught, and I'll just say web design fall 17 lessons. There you go. It'll be the whole semester. All of those lessons I will share. And I'll just share it just with me. No one else cares. There we go. I'll share that. Alright, so now I'll go back and not just by 1 week, but rather a whole bunch forward. And I will insert the lessons, import lesson. And I just want what's shared with me. Correction, I want my resources and I want lesson groups. And here I can see web design, fall 17 lessons, and edited today. Okay, so I will select that. I'll import them all, looks fine. Yep, I'm importing all 75. That's not right. Look like 75 here. Well, let's see what happens. Starting on that date, I will overwrite the existing stuff. It's all blank anyway. So I'm not sure why the import finished and I switched it over to the unit view so I could see all of the lists, and I can see when school ends, and then I have extra lessons. I don't know where these actually came from. Most of them are just mostly blank anyway. So what I'll be doing is I can just clear this lesson and it deletes it. Because it's unscheduled, it's just floating appended to this whole list. And so what I'll do is, as I go through the year and the lessons that actually are helpful, I'll just start removing things and you know, shoring it up and pulling lessons from here. But anyway, that's the general idea. I now have all my lessons planned for this upcoming semester in web design. If you have any questions, by all means, just let me know. Thanks.